Good morning, health enthusiasts. Today, we're about to kickstart our day with a burst of vitality. Welcome to Energize Your Day, nutrient-packed smoothie bowl breakfast. Get ready to revitalize your mornings with a delicious and nutritious journey that goes beyond the typical breakfast routine. Join me as we explore the art of crafting nutrient-packed smoothie bowls that not only satisfy your taste buds but also provide the energy you need to conquer the day. So, grab your blenders and let's dive into a world of vibrant flavors and wholesome goodness. Picture this, a vibrant morning filled with the promise of energy and vitality. Now, imagine embracing that energy right from the start with a breakfast that not only fuels your body but also tantalizes your taste buds. Welcome to the invigorating world of Energize Your Day, nutrient-packed smoothie bowl breakfast. As we dive into this culinary adventure, get ready to discover the secrets of a breakfast that goes beyond the ordinary, promising a symphony of flavors and a burst of positivity in every spoonful. Before we delve into the world of nutrient-packed smoothie bowls, let me share a bit of my own morning ritual. I used to struggle with finding a breakfast that fueled my day without compromising on taste. That's when I discovered the magic of smoothie bowls, a delicious and energizing way to start the day. The journey to crafting the perfect bowl became a personal mission, driven by my desire for a breakfast that not only nourished my body but also brought joy to my mornings. Today, I'm excited to share this morning ritual with you and inspire a vibrant start to your day. Ever wondered why nutrient-packed smoothie bowls are more than just a delicious trend? Scientifically, starting your day with a nutrient-dense breakfast has been shown to boost cognitive function, improve concentration, and provide sustained energy throughout the morning. The combination of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants in these bowls contributes to overall well-being, making them a smart choice for a healthy breakfast. As we blend and bowl our way to vitality, remember that each spoonful is backed by the science of nourishment. Creating the perfect nutrient-packed smoothie bowl is not just about tossing ingredients into a blender. Here are some practical tips to make your morning ritual a breeze. Tip number 1. Balance your ingredients. Ensure a balance of fruits, vegetables, protein, and healthy fats for a well-rounded bowl. Tip number 2. Texture matters. Play with textures by adding toppings like granola, nuts, or seeds to create a satisfying crunch. Tip number 3. Colorful variety. Embrace a variety of colorful fruits and veggies to maximize the nutritional benefits and visual appeal of your bowl. Tip number 4. Mindful eating. Take a moment to savor each spoonful, practicing mindful eating to fully appreciate the flavors and nourishment. Let's turn these tips into tasty habits. Inspiration for creativity. Beyond the basic recipe, let your creativity shine. Experiment with different flavor combinations, unique toppings, and superfood additions. The canvas is yours, and the possibilities are endless. Whether you're a seasoned smoothie bowl enthusiast or a first-time blender explorer, let this be an inspiration to elevate your breakfast game. Get ready to energize your day with nutrient-packed smoothie bowl creations that not only taste amazing but also fuel your body with the goodness it deserves. Cheers to a vibrant and energized morning. 10 key points. Energize your day, nutrient-packed smoothie bowl breakfast. 1. Inviting introduction. Begin with a lively welcome to the world of nutrient-packed smoothie bowls, setting the stage for an energizing breakfast experience. 2. Personal connection. Establish relatability by sharing a personal story, emphasizing the transformative impact of smoothie bowls on your morning routine. 3. Scientific foundation. Provide scientific insights into the benefits of nutrient-packed breakfasts, underscoring their positive effects on cognitive function and sustained energy. 4. Ingredient balance. Emphasize the importance of a well-balanced mix of fruits, vegetables, protein, and healthy fats to ensure a nutritionally complete smoothie bowl. 5. Texture play. Encourage variety in textures through toppings like granola, nuts, or seeds, enhancing the overall sensory experience. 6. Colorful variety. Highlight the nutritional significance of a diverse array of colorful fruits and vegetables, showcasing the importance of varied nutrients for overall well-being. 7. Mindful eating. Advocate for mindful eating habits, prompting individuals to savor each spoonful and appreciate the flavors and nourishment provided by the smoothie bowl. 8. Creative inspiration. Inspire creativity by urging experimentation with unique flavor combinations, toppings, and the addition of superfoods, turning the smoothie bowl into a personalized culinary canvas. 9. Practical tips. Offer practical tips for a seamless smoothie bowl preparation, making the morning ritual accessible and enjoyable for both novices and enthusiasts. 10. Energized conclusion. Conclude with an enthusiastic toast to a vibrant and energized morning, reinforcing the notion that nutrient-packed smoothie bowls are not just a breakfast option but a delightful celebration of well-being. Conclusion. As we step into the realm of Energize Your Day, nutrient-packed smoothie bowl breakfast, we're not only unlocking the door to a delicious breakfast menu but also inviting everyone to celebrate positive energy every morning. With the right balance of nutrients, a variety of textures, and creativity in every spoonful, the smoothie bowl becomes not just a healthy choice but an art that uplifts spirits. Let's together revel in the vitality of each bite and enjoy the positive energy in every sip. Cheers to a morning filled with nourishment and zest.